Please take a look at this web page. This is the home page of our website. As students studying web development, we have identified several issues with your web page, both in terms of design and functionality. To help you improve your website, we have prepared a report that compiles the issues and solutions. This page will outline the main takeaways, and if you like our suggestions, we'd love the chance to help with your web development. The first issue with your website is it's not optimized for mobile devices. As the number of mobile users have surpassed that of computers, mobile-first approach is now critical. This is your web page when viewed from mobile devices. The design isn't mobile-friendly, having wasted extra white space and small buttons, so clicking the button for English page could take users to event page by mistake. So what you need to do is adapt to what's called responsible design. It's a method where the design changes based on the screen size. Here's a great example of responsible design. On a computer, the menu buttons are placed at the top right of the page. But on mobile, they are replaced with a menu bar. When the menu bar is tapped, users can see all the menu options, making full use of the small screen on mobile devices. Responsible design like this would attract more mobile users, boosting your potential for your profit. Next, we will discuss issues with accessibility and search engine optimization.
Another issue with your website is regarding accessibility and search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Here is an example of one of the issues regarding accessibility and SEO. When images breaks, as shown on the left, alternative text is displayed, like the mockup on the right. Alternative text is used to describe images when issues occur, or is read when a user is using a screen reader. Accessibility refers to the empowerment of users with disabilities to engage with the website's content. Currently, your website does not have any alternative text. This means that your website is not favored by search engines like Google, as they use accessibility features to decide which websites to display first. Not only that, this locks out users with disabilities from navigating your website. Your website also overuses images. An example of this is your registration button. It is actually an image, not a button. Buttons are read differently than images, and with your lack of alternative text, makes registering for classes impossible if you're using a screen reader. Furthermore, the abundant use of images increases the load times, which affect SEO. By improving accessibility, the CJLA will increase their potential market and be more visible on search engines. In the next section, we'll talk about issues regarding your forms.
Now let's talk about form issue. Your current form can be improved to make things easier for your customers. As you can see on the first and the second picture, you might get missing information or the wrong format, and you will not be able to answer them correctly with incomplete information. The solution is very simple. Please note the third picture. You need to let customer know what field are required and warn customer if they input wrong format of data. On top of that, your customers see a security warning when using your form from browsers. A browser also prevents your customer from sending it. This is huge loss for your business because it stops potential customers' inquiry. This issue caused by using HTTP protocol that is not secure. You need to use secure protocol to fix the current issue. But don't worry, we can fix it.
The fourth issue is regarding consistency, meaning your website does not offer user-friendly experience for all users to easily navigate through the available information to sign up for your courses. These two are your sign-up forms in both English and Japanese versions, and they do not indicate which fields must be filled out. For example, it's not clear whether cell phone number, fax number, or telephone numbers are essential. What if some users do not have telephone number? We suggest that you mark essential fields with red asterisks in your sign-up forms, as seen on the left side, to avoid confusion for users to guess how they should format their input, like what you currently have as seen on the right side. This subtle change will make your form much easier to use, which likely means that there will be much more users signing up for your service. For more specific on how the form could be more intuitive, please refer to the report. This is your English and Japanese versions of your website. Right now, they're inconsistent in design and comparison. meaning that the English version lacks the content that the Japanese version has, like social media handle, for example. This may create confusion and frustration for the users of the English version. We recommend that you change the English version to match the Japanese version, like this, for example, to eliminate the sense of frustration of users of the English version, which is important to get more clients that are interested in learning Japanese. For more specific on why consistent design is important and how to implement it for your website, please refer to the report. By focusing on mobile usability, enhancing accessibility, securing data with HTTPS, streamlining forms, and unifying the design across languages, your website will become more user-friendly and trustworthy. These improvements will boost retention, expand your reach, and drive success. I encourage you to dive into our detailed report to better understand how these recommendations can improve your online presence and increase conversion rate of users signing up for your services online.